Hello, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we've got Kit, the Knight Rider car, issues 19 to 22. Excellent stuff. Everyone the same. Go on, pick a mag. Don't know why I mess about like that, but anyway. I'm in a giddy mood today. Let's have a look at the parts for issue 19. Okie doke, issue 19. Usual stories. This one, episode 13, season 1, Forget Me Not. I have downloaded a lot of these episodes of Legend. I've just not watched a great lot of them, to be honest, but I'll get round to it. There's that much telly to watch these days, it's unreal. There's a beautiful car. Usual format with the pictures. Looks brilliant though. Takes you back a few years. There we go. Build your kit. Stage 19. This issue you will start to assemble the turbine and connect the fan wiring to the electronic control unit. Excellent stuff. Not many steps in this one. Ah, here we go. Yeah, those pipes. I did fit them, but probably in the wrong order. We'll do that as well later. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have issue 19, so let's get the parts out. Okay, no, there are our parts. We have 19A, the turbine top, 19B, the turbine front, 19C, Airtech mount, and we have the screws AM and GM. First of all, what we need to do is to place this in that groove there. It goes one way, like that. So these screw mounting tabs on this side, and then we need to screw it in from the other side with two AM screws. We're going into metal, so we'll pop a little bit of oil on the end of the screw and then we can tap this into place. There we go. Those two screws there, and that is how that is mounted. Now we need to set this piece. That's the bottom, that's the top. Fit that like that there, so it looks just like that. And we need two GM screws, one there, one there. There we go. That is issue 19 complete. All metal. Excellent. Let's do issue 20. Here we have issue 20. Front page exactly the same as the 19 before it. Hearts of Stone, episode 14, season 1. Excellent stuff. Some cracking pictures in here. There's some good pictures there. That's of the car, obviously. Interior of the car. I'm sure we've already done that on the dash. And here are the parts. Stage 20. In this issue, you will put together the right exhaust of the turbine. Oh, that's not very difficult at all. So, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are the parts, let's get them out. There we go. All turbine exhaust parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 BP and CP screws. First thing we need to do is to marry these two together. Just like that. And connect them both with BP screws. I don't know whether these screws are going to be onshore. When we're finished with this and put them in the car. There we go, there's the two BP screws. Next we need this piece, and that goes there just like that, and that has an R inside of it, as you can see. Yep, clearly. Now we need to screw that with CP screws along with this little piece which fits just over the top there like that. So we need 3 CP screws. There we go. That's the right exhaust, turbine exhaust, completed for now. Okay, we'll put them parts to one side, because then we've got issue 21, which is exactly the same, but this is for the turbine left exhaust, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're just doing exactly the same again. There we go. Now, I haven't forgot those parts for the radiator fans, so we'll do them at the end. So here are the parts, let's get these out. BP, CP screws, and this is exactly the same, so we need the BP screws. There we go, them 2 screws in there like that. Nice seam there as well. At least it's not, doesn't look rough or gappy. There we go. This is the left one, so that goes that way, and that one can go fit in there just like that. And we have 3 CP screws. That just needs shaving. Obviously, just got to file that head. There we go. Just file that off a little bit. It was a bit rough, that edge. Well, it will have come off the sprue, and not just that, it means it'll be a better fit. And then we've done that. Excellent, there we go. So we've got the left one, has an L in it, the right one, this is an R in it. Excellent stuff. And now let's do issue 22. So issue 22, going through the magazine, we're up to episode 16, season 1, and a lot more functionality here from the car. Kits functions, excellent. Another beautiful picture of that car. Look how old that is, how old it does look. Did you know the access code around which the plot of the episode revolves is, as Michael discovers, 362436? Alright, okay. Let's leave that there. And the formats again with the pictures. Here we go. Build your kit. Stage 22. In this stage you will join the left and right sides of the turbine housing to the other parts already assembled. So we have the turbine left housing, right housing, turbine left housing mount, right housing mount, a pin, and BP and GM screws. Quite a large pin, it looks like there. And then we're left with that, looking excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are the parts, let's get them out. Okay, those are the parts. These will be marked up, right, left, and these are as well. It's got an L there for left and one there for right. So first of all, pop them to one side. We need the BP screws. We have got 2 left from previous, so we'll use them instead. The L, yep, left turbine, that will go on there like that, following the curvature. There we go, fits in nicely. Now we have 2 screws, 1, 2. There we go, that's the inside and that's the outside. As you can see, it matches up nicely. Excellent stuff. Now we need the left bracket, which is that one. That fits there, and we need to secure that with BP screws. There we go, excellent stuff. Okay, now we need this turbine, and that will go down the side there and fit snugly there. 1, 2 GM screws, that's what it looks like on top. Looking brilliant, matches up nice. Obviously we got the other side to do as well. Lovely jubbly, that's looking brilliant. Now we need, there we go, bit of dust on that. And then we do exactly the same on the right side. There we go, that will fit there just like that. Lovely, Lovely curve there. And we need 1, 2 CP screws, and that we can fit in place with CP screws also. They're not CP screws, BP screws. And now we need this bracket again. So that bracket can go there like that. It sits across that piece there and slots. The screw holes slot nicely over the screw holes. And now exactly the same as before. That goes across there like that, and we need GM screws. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2 GM screws. Nice and bonny. That looks really good. All there is left to do now is this pin. Pop this pin through here, and it comes through here into there. Line that up nicely. There we go. Brilliant. There's them two pieces much closer together. Excellent stuff. There we go. Brilliant. That's looking fantastic. We just need this side now, don't we? Excellent stuff. That is issues 19 to 22 complete. Now we do need to do the radiator fan hoses, and I've also got a nice surprise. Here we have the chassis of the car. There's the radiators. Oh sorry, it's the radiator and the fans, and those are the pipes. Now as you can see, I put them on incorrectly. The long one goes on here, the middle one goes on the middle, and the short one goes on this side, because of the 3 pegs. 1, 2, 3 are just there. Just there. Oh, can you see that? But you can't see that. It's tough, but there we go. You can see them 3 pegs there. So we just need to get them pipes to them pegs. There we go. That's the first one. The short one from there to there. That gets in the way. Do the middle one. This should be fun. Put the middle one on the middle fan, and that one goes there. We are. Lovely jubbly. And the long pipe goes on to the top one. Excellent. There we go. That's all 3 in place. Looking fantastic. Even though it's all black, this car is looking absolutely beautiful. I do love it. And now for that nice surprise, I'll pop that to one side. And here we have the dash, and here we have, there we go, the grills, dashboard grills, metal dashboard grills from Mike Lane. It's fit there, across here, and here. Excellent stuff. There we go. It's looking lovely. I'll give that a clean, and I'll get these grills out. Okay, well, there we are. These are still in the little bags. Basically, as you can see, the grills fit in there and there, and that one fits across there, and we get some adhesive strips as well as. So I'll get these out and I'll get the adhesive strips on and show you in a sec. And there we go. So the grill's in place. Don't they look brilliant? They really do give it another kick. That is fantastic. Little sticker on the end there, one in the middle, one there, and the little adhesive pads are really sticky. But that looks absolutely fantastic. What a massive difference it makes. Excellent stuff. There we go, guys. That is issues 19 to 22 completed, and the dashboard grills in place. Excellent. The car's looking fantastic. Those pipes are nice and bolly now. Oh, lovely jubbly. So there we go, guys. That's another 4 issues of the Knight Rider completed. Excellent stuff. There's that turbine, looking really good. That was pretty simple, straightforward. And there's the dash again, looking fantastic. I know there's other mods for this dash, but for the screens that I've seen, there's an excellent video on YouTube. Uses just felt pens. He puts the LEDs through the side of the backs, as you can see. They go in there where you know where they go. So he puts his LEDs through the side. Who's going to do that with that one? I don't know. But it gives a nicer spread of light, and the use of felt pens as well on the back to highlight the colours. I'll see if I can find the link for that video, and I'll pop it on the end of this video or somewhere in the description anyway, if I can find it again. But anyway, that is that for another month. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for another 4 issues of Knight Rider. Happy New Year, and I hope everything goes according to plan for you this next year. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. Bye for now.